A bigger dividend often signals a company's transition into maturity. But when Converge ICT raised its regular cash dividend to 0.49 pesos per share, it wasn't just chasing the high-yield crowd. This move is a clear statement of financial muscle, a message that Converge is earning, investing, and still has more than enough to share. The numbers speak for themselves. In 2025, Converge posted 44.8 billion pesos in consolidated revenues, up 10.2% from the previous year. EBITDA climbed to 27 billion pesos, maintaining an industry-leading margin of over 60%. Net income reached 11.9 billion pesos, while return on invested capital stood at a robust 17.7%. More telling than any payout is the health of Converge's balance sheet. By the end of 2025, total debt had fallen to 24.1 billion pesos from 29.5 billion pesos. Equity surged 15% to 63.1 billion pesos. Key leverage ratios only strengthened. Gross debt to EBITDA at 0.9 times and interest coverage at 17.4 times. These are conservative, even enviable figures for an infrastructure-driven business. Yet the new dividend remains prudent. At 3.55 billion pesos, it represents just 30% of 2025 net income, leaving ample capacity to fund growth. In 2025, Converge invested 17.7 billion pesos in capex, and it's guiding for up to 23 billion pesos in 2026, focusing on network upgrades and expansion, especially in the Visayas and Mindanao. For yield-seeking investors, the math is sobering. At a share price near 13 pesos, the 0.49 pesos dividend equates to a yield of about 3.7%. Respectable, but not market-leading. But that's not the point. Converge's higher dividend isn't a shift toward cash harvest maturity. It's a sign of discipline and credibility. Proof that the company can grow revenue, sustain high profitability, and return cash to shareholders, all without stalling its ambitions. This is what sets Converge apart. The confidence of a company still on the move, now with the financial profile to back up its promises. The higher dividend isn't the destination. It's a milestone, one that signals strength, not surrender.